Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to add more RAM. First, you'll need to identify your computer's current RAM specifications, including its type and speed, to ensure compatibility. Next, acquire new RAM modules that match these specifications and your motherboard's available slots. Finally, prepare your workspace by gathering a Phillips head screwdriver and ensuring good lighting. This preparation ensures a smooth and successful upgrade process. Now let's get inside your computer. Begin by completely shutting down your system and disconnecting every cable, including the power cord, to prevent any electrical issues. Carefully remove the screws securing the side panel of your computer case, then slide it open. Once inside, you'll easily spot the existing RAM modules, usually long, thin sticks, and any available empty slots nearby. With the case open, it's time to install your new RAM. First, gently push down the small retaining clips on either end of the RAM slot to open them. Next, carefully align the notch on your new RAM stick with the corresponding ridge in the slot. Apply even, firm pressure to both ends of the RAM module until the side clips audibly snap into their locked position, securing the stick. After installation, carefully close your computer case and reattach all the cables you disconnected earlier. Power on your computer and navigate to your system information settings to confirm that the new RAM is recognized and functioning correctly. This simple check ensures your upgrade was successful. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.